All right. Maybe start from Facebook ads.
Yeah, let's go over all the questions that you really wanted to ask me yesterday, but we couldn't go over.
Sure, sure. I'll share my screen.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. Oh, actually, you remember I said like I got 15 orders?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it was not 15. I'll show you how much.
Okay.
It was how do you see that? Okay. That was 22 orders.
Got it. So I think that's 22 pieces.
Oh,
So
Pete.
individual orders.
Oh, so
What's the best way to track it? The best way you go to your Shopify orders and you manually count it.
all right. Then it'll be like around 15, 16 probably. Anyways, ad manager. Oh, you know what happened?
What happened?
There's a small disaster. So
Oh,
remember we did the ad. I don't know what, for some apparent reason, it didn't turn on.
because we duplicated the one that was off. Hello, I think we can schedule it for the next day. See if we can schedule. If not, we can just have to duplicate it again.
Edit like that.
Yeah, edit. And is it possible to change the date? No. So I guess
Uh,
duplicate it.
uh, okay. Duplicate this one or the one?
Both.
Okay. So duplicate.
And then duplicate. And then now put the date tomorrow at 12 a.m.
It should
Publish.
publish. Make sure it's on this time.
And then now close this pop-up and then turn it on. And then repeat that with doctorate.
Okay. Yeah, that's all good.
Awesome. So we solved that problem. Next question.